Look at this!
Wow, it's so pretty!
Yes, so many colors! A campfire night! I can't wait!
Fire! Fun!
Peppa and George find a lovely spot for their picnic. Daddy Pig puts down the firewood.
George is making music with the kettle.
Everyone gather around. It's time to light the giant campfire.
Look at the beautiful fire!
It's beautiful! Fire! Fire!
A perfect night for stories and snacks. Easy there, George. We don't want it burnt.
Warm! Yummy!
Giggles!
He spoke of magical fireflies and brave campers.
Peppa was completely enchanted by the story. This is the best campfire ever.
Look, George! The fireflies came to dance too!
I wish for more fun nights with my family.
More fire! More marshmallow!
It is time to go home.
I am sleepy!
I will carry you, George.
Daddy, can we come again next year?
Of course, Peppa. Campfire nights are even better when we enjoy them together. Today, the pig family joins a boat racing festival.
So many boats! Boat!
Team Pig, ready!
Let's pick the blue one!
Everyone takes their seats.
Safety first! We're ready!
The race is about to begin.
Ready, set, go!
Steady, steady!
1, 2, paddle.
The family keeps moving forward.
Bye-bye.
Go Team Pig! Go Team Pig!
Almost there. Almost there.
Go! 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 We did it!
Great teamwork.
Smile, everyone.
Boat racing is fun! A wonderful day at the boat festival. Today, the pig family is visiting a lotus pond. Let's get ready, everyone!
Look! Lotus leaves.
Pretty! First, we make a little spot for the seed.
There. Bat.
Nice and gentle.
Leaf. It's so soft.
This one is ready to harvest.
Or flower. So pretty.
They look for more blooming lotus.
Baby flower.
This one needs more time to grow.
It smells wonderful. Pink.
They rest after harvesting lotus.
We picked so many. Lotus Day is fun.
Peaceful adventure.
Today, the pig family is building a sand castle.
Let's get everything ready.
Let's build our castle here. This sand is perfect. Heavy.
1, 2, flip. Our first tower. The castle begins to grow.
Bat bat.
Nice and smooth.
A castle needs a moat. Water.
Beautiful.
Door. Nice and strong. Our castle needs flags. Bat.
It looks lovely. The sandcastle is almost done.
Smile. This is Castle Piggy.
A perfect beach day for the pig family. A mystery island.
I see the island.
Island.
Look at this big leaf.
These shells are beautiful.
Wooded. This grass is so tall. It's shiny. Birdie.
Let's mark what we found. Careful, George.
Round. It's like a game. Roll, roll.
They climb to see more of the island.
So beautiful. Cave. Ooh, it looks safe. It looks safe.
They shine like stars.
That was fun. Let's eat. Fishy.
The adventure comes to an end.
Mystery Island.
Today, the pig family is building their own little house.
Here's our house plan.
Let's start building. Tool.
This will be the base.
I got it. I got it. Here.
The house begins to take shape.
It's getting taller. Tall. Pink paint.
Let's make it pretty.
Almost there.
Here you go, Daddy.
The roof is coming together nicely. Window. Yeah.
Perfect.
Sweep, sweep. Open, open.
Nice and tight.
The house is looking colorful.
Mail. Pretty garden.
We did it!
Our new house.
Today, the pig family visits Candyland.
It looks magical.
Welcome to Candyland.
Squishy. Sprinkles everywhere. These are lovely. Ice cream clouds.
So soft. How adorable! A crunchy little bridge.
Look how big it is. Yummy air.
It smells sweet.
Hup, hup, hup.
Twisty trees.
Candyland is full of surprises.
It's like a sweet snowball. It's like a sweet snowball. Boing!
It shines like diamonds.
They're so cute! Wiggly!
Smile.
It's beautiful! Candyland was amazing!
Today, the pig family is visiting the magical cloud garden.
Wow! A cloud ladder! Up we go!
These leaves change colors.
Oh, it's lighter than air.
Cloudbirds!
Look, a cloud fountain.
Achoo! Cloud pollen.
So comfy.
Cloud kites! Can we play?
The cloud kites float effortlessly.
Hello, little butterfly!
A rainbow path appears.
This is amazing! So squishy!
For you, dear.
Say a cloud cheese.
The cloud garden glows beautifully at sunset.
The cloud garden was magical!
The pig family is bringing home their Christmas tree.
Perfect spot.
Let's decorate!
We have so many decorations.
Nice and fluffy.
This one is pretty! There!
A bit of gold will make it shine.
Up we go.
Wow, so sparkly!
These look cute.
Almost done.
It looks beautiful.
Jingle, jingle.
Nice and steady.
Snowy.
Ta-da!
Say cheese, they cheese.
Merry Christmas!
What a wonderful tree! A perfect Christmas evening for the pig family. Today, the pig family is going to the supermarket.
Let's grab a cart.
Wow!
We need rice, fruit, and juice. I'll get the rice. You two can pick some fruit.
Oink!
Daddy Pig heads to the rice aisle. Oof! This is heavy!
These apples look delicious!
Fruit for everyone.
So sweet!
The rice is done. Time to find the others.
Daddy! Look at our fruit!
Great job! You picked wonderful fruit.
We still need juice. So many colors!
Let's choose orange juice.
Careful! There we go! Can we get these grapes?
Hold them tight, George.
With everything on the list, they head to the checkout. Beep. Beep.
Shopping was fun!
The pig family arrived at the campsite for a fun day out.
We're here! Camping! Camping!
Let's set up the tent first.
This will be our cozy spot.
Hold on, steady.
I'm helping, Daddy.
The tent is almost ready. Fresh and tasty.
Here you go, Mummy.
Almost ready.
A nice fire will keep us warm.
Wow!
Lunch smells wonderful. Here they are.
Daddy! Lunchtime!
Ready to eat.
The family settles down in a circle for a fun picnic day.
Oink! Yummy!
Tent stands tall and cozy, ready for their camping night.
Juice for everyone!
The day ends with a beautiful sunset.
What a perfect camping day!
Peppa, George, and Mummy Pig are going for a walk in the big yellow cornfield. What a beautiful day to harvest corn!
Ooh. I'll carry the basket.
Let's find the ripest ones.
Got it. Yay!
Twist and pull.
Into the basket. Small. Ooh.
We only pick the big ripe ones.
Almost got it.
This one is perfect. The little yellow corn kernels bounced right into the basket. Bop, bop. Now the basket is almost full.
funny, George. These look great, too. Look. Look. It's heavy.
Just one more check. This one's lovely.
All done.
We are almost there.
Yes, almost home.
What a lovely day.
We did great together. Yoo-hoo!
Let's make a snowman.
Whee! Whee!
We'll need lots of snow.
It's going to be lovely.
Scoop, scoop. Scoop.
Almost big enough. This will be perfect.
Wow!
Let's decorate.
Oh, a perfect nose.
There!
Nice and warm.
Perfect.
Now he's happy.
Lovely. The three friends looked at their amazing snowman.
We did it! Yahoo!
We'll need the
Let's go harvest grapes.
The family walks between the rows of grapevines under the bright sun. Here we go.
Wow! So many grapes! Can't reach!
Perfectly ripe.
Ooh! These!
Great job, George.
I found more!
The grapes go bop, bop, bop as they fill the bucket up to the halfway mark.
These are different. Green grapes aren't ripe yet.
We only pick ripe ones.
Look at them. They are picking grapes together.
It's full!
Oof! It's heavy!
Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, and Peppa are happy to step outside.
Oink!
Let's plant some carrots today.
Yay! Carrots! Let's take these tools. Yes!
Nice and deep.
Go, Daddy Pig!
Carrot seeds ready. One seed per hole.
Nice and cozy.
Press, press.
I'll help water.
Drip, drip, drip. Nice and smooth.
Perfect.
There.
The family loved their garden. It was a beautiful sunny day.
Let's fly up high, friend.
Yes, up to the clouds. Tweet, tweet.
When will the carrots grow?
They need time, water, and sunshine.
We'll take care of them together. The seeds are waking up. The warm sun helps the flowers grow big and strong.
It's a lovely sunny morning, and Peppa and George are waking up with a big stretch and a yawn.
Ding ding! Let's go pick flowers for our lunch cake. Mummy Pig is getting the picnic basket ready.
Here we go. Oink! Oink! Oink, oink. Look, a butterfly. Whoa!
Only pick flowers that are fully bloomed.
Pluck, pluck.
Oink!
Oink! Peppa is making a pretty heart with flower petals. The little pig family is walking home.
Oink! Oink!
Oink! Hello!
Let's make something yummy.
Whisk, whisk, whisk! Mix, mix, mix! 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 Look at the batter go! Whee! It's so gooey! Look at the cake! Tick, tick, tick! Up, up, up! Plop, plop! What a wonderful cake!
Everyone is ready for their first delicious bite.